How to change your Discord tag without using Nitro. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your Discord tag without using Nitro. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up your Discord app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Under user settings, tap on my account. Then next, tap on your username. Now here you can see you can update your username, but if I go to try and update my tag, it will say that you need to subscribe to Discord Nitro to choose your own custom Discord tag. So I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to tap on close. Next, what I'll do is I'm going to update my username from what it was, and then I'm actually going to change it to what my tag is, so 2967, that's my tag number. So if I tap on save, then I just have to enter in my password. Then once I've entered my password, I'm going to tap on save. So now I've done this recently, but if you go back to your username and look at your tag, you'll see your tag has now been changed to a different number. And then you can change your username back to what it was before. And that's what it takes to change your Discord tag without using Nitro. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.